Naantay natin ang ating Mirna Alcantara, o, diba? Ayan na siya. Kung nakagawin si ka DJ, graduate. Abay, nagladya-agdan ka kada mo iskeleton pa ka. Yay! Nakakita na yung magpangyaw, o, diba? Asan sila? O, yan, picture-picture na sila, o. We're here at Pacific Place. Ayan. Mag-video ka dali. Biro ko masuda. O, diba? Ang ganda. Jai, nandiyan na ni Bangi. Ayan o. Si Ate Merna. Hi. Ipa-front mo. Ayan na, andito si Ning Lord TV. Ano sila o? Ay. Hello! Info no, nakalamot kaya mo yun.
Nakita dahil na mabayinak lang ang kwensa. Lord! Lord!
Hindi mo siya maangos. Hindi mo siya amigin.
Basta nakatikitan siya.
Ay nakikita ko siya sa live. O, diba? Andito na naman si Ate Am.
Kita na naman kami ng smiling face.
Second time. Oh, wait. O, diba?
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days.